3, 2, 1, go.
Where
is Sergey? Andrei, where is
yes.
Sergey?
Okay, I should
believe
prepare
now.
my empty file finally.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the GOSH Decentralization Bonanza and bubaleh live stream. We will be working today very much at leisure and basically talking about all the exciting things that we've been working on and what we've achieved over the last year as the first step to a decentralizing process. We will be releasing GOSH tokens to developers, and you will get a chance to meet the developers. And so we hope you guys enjoy.
And to get the tokens.
And to get the tokens.
Yes. Yes. You also, this is the tokens. You know, I want to show that to you. So everyone will get it sooner or later. That's the airdropping, like, you know, airdropping this will be really funny. And there is a special dog we have, which will also collect all this in the end. That's his profession, to collect these guys. Yes. Okay. We have started.
Hi.
Hello, guys.
Everyone.
Hey.
Everyone.
Okay, so let me tell you what will happen, maybe happen today if everything goes smoothly, which already didn't, because we just in the 1 hour before the show we found a bug in the Git remote that we kind of fixed, and now it's pushed into production as we speak. But that's that won't prevent us from, hopefully it won't prevent us from doing stuff we're going to do. So what we're going to do,
Mita, sorry. Can you please share me the rights for recording this amazing bonanza?
oh yes, Sana, you will get all the rights. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
And
You are so
by the
kind.
way, we get Luca also, okay, co-host.
Hey.
And we get Anton, co-host. I can give co-host to everyone. Okay, no, we don't have everyone on the call, and for some reason we also don't have everyone with cameras. Don't know. Alexander, how are things in Ukraine, by the way? Are you with electricity? Everything fine?
Yeah, I'm in the most western region as possible, 10 kilometers to Poland border. Here it is relatively safe, relatively calm, and even during the latest night shelling, nothing has arrived into our region. So here it is one of the best regions, safest and most reliable. So far, not going to guess in the future, but kind of. And I am trying to find out my webcam. I have already looked where I put my microphone, connected it just about a minute ago, and now trying to find my webcam.
Great. Maren, what is the time now in Mexico? How are you, by the way?
I'm doing great. It's 7 a.m. now in Mexico.
It's a great time to do the live streaming.
Yes, definitely.
You look amazing for this hour.
Thank you.
From a bed to the stream. It's nice.
Yes.
All right, guys. So we have like a lot of people worked on GOSH, and we don't have everyone on the stream. We do have a lot of people on the stream. We don't have a lot of people with cameras. Hope that will change soon. If Alexander, for example, finds his, or we have some more people to join. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to actually share my screen, and we will start accepting people to GOSH DAO. Right now we have like GOSH DAO on GOSH, and we have 3 people in this DAO currently, which tested, and that's me, Sergey and Roman, two of our engineers, and Sergey should be joining us, I think, I hope. So,
He has poor internet connection, actually. That's he told that.
yeah, but
he
okay,
can-
but he still needs to join the call, because there might be some stuff that
yeah, I'll let him know.
we done. Anyway, they are watching the stream because they will need to vote for things that I'm going to do. And let's go to actually my screen. So we have here a really quite empty GOSH repository. Created some repositories before, but there is nothing in them yet, I think. Yeah, it's just a README file. Okay, so so what we're going to do, we're going to, first of all, I think what we need to do is to increase because we in the DAO settings, we have this allow mint button still pressed on, so we can mint a little bit of tokens. We do need to mint a little bit of tokens because we need to accept members and we need to vote. And right now we have 320, as you can see here, by the way, just so we have 320 tokens in this DAO currently. So let's mint some, I don't know, let's mint some 10,000 for the beginning. Just initial distribution. And just so we will be, will be enough. And I'm creating proposal right now. And this proposal needs to be voted for, so we have enough token to at least get the first people on board. Okay, so here's the proposal, mint DAO tokens. Let me vote for this proposal, but I have 100 tokens, so I'll just tap all of them and just send my vote. And we hope Sergey and Roman will be able to vote, or one of them. It's an SMB vote system here, so actually like 10% would be enough. So my vote would be actually enough to get that proposal through, but we would need to wait 6 days, almost 7 days, to do that if no one would object, as that's how soft majority voting works. But because we want to kind of push it now, so someone else need to vote for this. And so we ask for Sergey or Roman. Hope they hear me. One second.
Mitya, we can't hear you. You're muted.
Yes.
I know, that's because I'm talking to another voice chat
Yeah.
with Sergey, and I'm asking, he's like pushing something, so I'm asking him to come to the stream and actually, do the thing. So they said they will vote now. That's how you need to go, like finding people and just ask them to vote. So we have here like a lot of requests to join. It's actually a lot of them. So you can see it's a lot of them. I have a lot of people wants to join. And we will go and this will be improved in the future. Like we put here some meta information that will be easier to find for these proposals, what actually is going on. But okay, that's it's not now. So I'm kind of
it should be accepted already. I mean,
okay, that's fine. So let's see who is that. Okay, Andrew. It's Andrew from Provendo, and we know that actually the contracts for SMB were created by Andrew. So I propose we vote to accept Andrew in a DAO. Let's just do that, and let's send the vote. I'm all in. You know, I know Andrew personally, and he did a lot of work for GOSH, and will do in the future. So let's accept him as a contributor. Like, of course, most of the people. Okay, so we have already, it's increased. So we have 10,320 tokens. So we can now think, let's accept some more members. Yeah, it will be tedious and it will take time, just because of we didn't like. Okay, it's like first version. Obviously, there are things to be learned.
We're
How to
figuring
use GOSH, how to authorize, how to
Yeah.
create Git
what does this button do? What does that button do? Yeah.
and so on.
Which button?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. I think I know who that is. Is it Sam? Is it yours, right?
Sam.
So is it you?
Sam, is it you?
Unmute.
Oh, yeah, it's me.
Okay, great.
Are you
Let's
sure?
accept- let's accept
Because-
Sam. Yeah. Well, please check. Yeah, this is the address of Sam's profile. So like, and of course, the names in GOSH are unique, as the decentralized naming service is embedded into GOSH smart contracts and everything. So whenever you can check, and there is a restriction on the characters, obviously. So it's hard to miss, but you know, you always need to check the name, and if then you have the profile address that we want to, you can verify. But all the names in GOSH across GOSH are unique. Okay, so we have accepted Sam. Now let's just continue doing. We need to get some more people so we can actually create. The next thing we will do is we will show you how it's not. This is not the, like, it won't end with this. Okay, let's see who's that. Oh, okay.
I think it's Artyom.
Artyom, yeah, we all know it's Artyom.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just voting. Great. Okay, so let's see. You know what maybe I can do, you know.
Perhaps
Sorry?
our viewers would like to get some background on who it is.
What I can do, background noise.
No, our viewers might like to get some background on who we're accepting.
Artyom is our designer. He
Yeah.
designed all that. Everything in GOSH is designed by Artyom.
And he actually has a long list of what needs to be fixed.
Exactly. What else needs to be done? I'm just
It's a
doing
juice,
this.
Artyom.
Yeah, it's orange juice.
Okay, let me I'll just open all that in different.
No alcohol on the stream.
Yeah. Of course, there is.
Just use this type of
Yes,
cups.
of course, of course, of course. That way it will be easier. I'm sure I will miss someone, but you know, in the end.
You know what could be nice? If when you drag your cursor above a proposal, you get a little pop-up of information about it. That could actually be nice.
Yes, okay, I think we can go from the end now. Let's see, who is that? Alexander from the GOSH. Supercell, I think we know. By the way, it's changed, no?
We have many Alexanders.
Did we now push the new version? Alex, I know, yeah, we know which Alexander is. Alexander Sil. So I'm voting for. It's a core team member. Not on the call, I think. I don't know. I don't think
What would be good is we encourage everyone to write as detailed a note as possible when requesting membership to a DAO.
Yes.
Usually.
Obviously.
Yeah,
That helps.
it helps a lot. You have this feature, use it wisely.
Okay, Andrew. Here's Andrew. Hello. Is it you?
Yes. Oh,
Okay. So initiations are hard.
well, I
Lot
see
of
one
fun.
vote against me, by the way.
Ha, ha.
I'll figure it out.
What happened to the page, by the way? I don't know. What's because of this. Okay, Luca, I think I'll gladly accept you.
Yeah.
Immediate access to the future of software development. Like immediate.
Yes.
On the spot
wait.
access.
I'm a busy man. By the way, I requested membership twice by accident, so there's going to be another one.
Okay, Anna is here on the call. Anna is a great member of the team. We accept Anna Aspen to the team. Hello, Anna. How are you doing?
Great. Happy to be a part of it.
Yeah. Noisy environment, as we like
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, send. So we will get through this. Don't worry. Well, like in another 5 minutes. Okay, so it's Jerry Murdoch. Jerry Murdoch, one of our greatest supporters, investor, and a real friend of GOSH. Gladly accepting Jerry into GOSH DAO, and also taking this opportunity to say great thanks to Jerry for doing this and believing in us.
Amen.
True. Everscale developers we have here requesting access. So this is Alex Novikov from Everix, participated in development of EverCloud and EverDS. I would say we first accept all the kind of core team members, and then we'll talk about outside participation. So we'll leave it. I'm just leaving it open, and we will come back to this. Okay. Ever SDK developer. Okay, we'll leave it again for now. Let's see. Yes, we have another Everscale developer.
Love the enthusiasm.
Yes, Ekaterina. Yes, Ekaterina is also an Everscale developer, but the core developer of EverSDK. But Katya supported GOSH a lot, and I think there is no doubt that there's no doubt about accepting. I even don't want to like talk about that too much. So we just accept her because we believe that Katya is a kind of a core member of GOSH actually, in a way. So we just accept, or at least from my perspective. Let's see how other people will, but I don't think we have. Okay, we have Roger. Roger is a validator who is supporting GOSH and actually contributed equipment and money into the equipment of the GOSH, running a GOSH network. So I would suggest accepting Roger as a member of DAO right away. We just actually the servers that Roger, there will be another validator, actually 2 validators So the servers at Roger both actually been delivered to our data centers today, actually yesterday. So today they were being installed already. So thanks a lot for the support. Okay. Okay, we need to confirm that SV91. I have no idea who that is. It's an Evernote developer. We will need to confirm that because I don't know who that is. So please write to us. If you're on the stream, please write to us. So, well, this I know who it is. It's an Evernote core team developer. We will leave it for now. My Zoom is okay. We'll come back to this once we have. Okay, who that is? Dixie, I know the magic word. We don't know who it is. Okay, so that goes to airdrop. It's supposed to airdrop kind of section. Yes, Alexander.
Could have more information, I hope.
Well, we don't need
I
more
know
information.
I know this guy. He's great.
I was one of the first to send a request, so it was before you said that need to add some information. Kind of too early, bird.
Yes. Okay. Done that.
Likewise for me, actually.
We will
You will
see.
see
We will come.
information.
We will come. I think we know who that is, right?
So now
I think it's yes. I mean, I do. It's Vasily. But yeah, please confirm in the chat. Right. Dixie is Oksana. I see. Okay. Let's accept Oksana. The other Oksana. We have two Oksanas.
Alexander.
Yeah. So our technical writer and tester. So we do gladly accept Oksana. And Vasily need to confirm that.
Well, Vasily confirmed.
But is it your Oksana? Content creation development? Oh, Jocelyn. Oh, that's your team, Oksana.
Yes, it's my team. Yes, it's Alexandra Vasilyeva. She is a contributor from my team. She will write in social networks about decentralized science and bring the world of DeSci in the world.
All right, we don't argue with Oksana.
Can you
we
imagine?
never argue with Oksana because that's painful.
I have confirmation for Vasily and Oksana. Their accounts.
Okay, so we send a vote for Vasily here. All right.
And Dixie.
Yes, already done. Dixie, already saw that.
Okay.
So it's already done. Okay. Oh, okay. It's Amir, I think. Right? So,
yep.
Okay. We accept Amir to the DAO. Amir
is fantastic.
Just tell us a little about yourself.
Project managers and long contributor to GOSH from the very beginning, from the day one. So let's move on. And we're almost through, but it's okay. Okay, and that goes to airdrop, I think, right?
Yeah,
I guess so.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Second.
Yep.
I opened twice. That's okay. So I just missed. I think. Anton. I don't know about this guy. What do you say?
So who
Where
is
is
it?
this
Who's that guy?
Just prove yourself.
Yeah.
I think it's not too bad. Yeah, I think.
What can I do?
Hi there.
Hi. Okay. Aha.
Yep, it's me. It's me.
Uh-huh.
Hi.
Uh-huh.
I'm
Hello.
an infectionist in the past, so I'm a doctor. If you have questions,
We will write them down. Okay.
I just realized that your nickname is Infeccionista when I always used to read it as Infeccionista. So that's good.
Oh,
Thank
that's
you.
just, sorry, that's minting event. Not a DAO membership request, so go.
Yeah, this is my second time. You can ignore it. I submit.
Interesting. So we reject that.
Yes, you
Look
reject.
at this. Boom. That's a reject vote. For the duplication, I actually had to
It's first
put here a
rejected
comment.
vote.
First rejected. No, we did reject some stupid repositories before. So we do that. Almost there.
it's
Ksenia.
Ksenia Buksha, my team. Yes, she's a writer.
Why I'm not putting the comments here, by the way?
Makes sense.
Okay. Well, I actually don't do that because of the time constraint. But actually, we should have been doing this. But okay. We will put this live stream recording into IPFS in GOSH. So we'll have like a commit with this live recording. Okay, it's Slava from Evernote. We will leave it for later for the outside contributors. Paulina from GOSH Creative Team. So we all know Paulina. By the
Here
way,
I
she's
am.
not. Oh, okay, great, Paulina. How are you doing?
I decided to be simple. I just put Paulina. I
Yes,
hope you
we all know
understand.
who
Who is
Paulina
it?
is. Yes, we don't have a second Paulina.
Oh, that's amazing.
Not I know. Oh, gosh. Okay. So. Okay, that's for going for airdrop section. By the way, we didn't distribute a single token yet, right? It's only membership for now.
No, we haven't.
And followers of the project, Alexei, I need a confirmation. Please write me, if you're watching the stream, please write me in Telegram right now to confirm the your
Profile.
identity. Yes. Yes, that goes for Telegram or for Telegram for airdrop section. I think we'll come back to this in the end of the stream. That's accepted.
You already have it. Yeah.
Yeah, so just double clicks. It's okay. Okay, that goes to the airdrop section as well. Yes, I got the confirmation from Alexei. Okay, goes to airdrop section as well. Okay, so that goes to the Evernote. I don't know how that is. Yeah.
I know this guy. I know this guy.
It's not a guy.
That's me.
It's a gal.
Ah, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm mistaken. It's very often with me.
It's Maren. So good. Right, accepted. And the last one I opened, I don't know if maybe there were more. Again, won't be 100% today. Okay, let's double click. All right, so we will come back to that later. Meantime, it should be
In the member section.
Yes, it's okay. I'm just want to
Or
check
you-
that. So we go here.
We actually, I mean, I think it's under the voting right now. Most people.
Okay. We need to ping Roman and Sergey. Can you ping Morgan, Roman and Sergey, please? in
Yes,
Discord.
since you
so
don't
they
have majority.
go into duty. Yes. So we kind of. Well, we have a lot of people here, so they're already. I think these people already been accepted. Maybe some of them are not, but most of the people have been accepted. So let's first of all let's distribute some tokens. So I will create now just voting tokens. So we go with 100 at first. What I'm doing? We don't give more to bot. There is a Git bot, GitHub bot here. He got our 20 tokens because he can push from GitHub. But he can't. But it can't decide anymore because we have more human votes here. And by the way, we will extend that functionality, so you will be able to invite more bots into your DAO, like integrations that you want to do. You would just invite them as a bot, give them some tokens. And well, that's how it goes. Oops, sorry.
I think people don't have tokens right now.
What do you mean they don't have tokens?
Since
they
will not be.
Yeah, but I can give them allowance, no? I can give them karma.
Since they're not part of the DAO yet, since
they are part of the DAO.
hasn't been finished, you don't have majority to finish it early.
No, it's impossible. Otherwise, they wouldn't be here in this group.
Yeah, they're in the member section.
It's a section of the DAO members. So it's impossible. Let's try. Let's just try. Whenever did that.
One thing at least you have to do, like for voting tokens, you need to set this per person. It's per person right now, I think. Not sure, but
I cannot do multiple.
As far as
let's try.
For this one,
increasing. Let's try using the. Well, it's karma actually called now. We didn't rename it, everyone, but the voting the allowance is it's karma. We call it karma from now. This is an announcement. The allowance will not be anymore. It will be karma. So the karma tokens is how much of the tokens that you have, of the DAO tokens that you have, you can vote with. You can use in voting. So I'm creating this proposal. Let's see what's happening.
For the sake of the viewers, I would like to ask a question. What is the relationship between karma and GOSH tokens that we are going to be distributing?
So this is in progress. Please vote and let's see what's happening.
Sergey is telling me that they will not get allowance, karma in this case.
So we need first to
since they don't have tokens yet. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I need to copy wallet basically and send them the tokens from the DAO, right? Can I do it in multi-proposal?
Let me confirm it first. We've been working on this feature, if it is in the file already or not.
Yeah, I can put username here, of course. And I can increase allowance just right here from I can send tokens, like I can send 100 token, increase 100 allowance, like, okay, karma. And, oh, sorry, this is not the name. Okay, let's start from Polina. What is your name, Polina? Polina on the GOSH? Just asking.
Yeah, it's just Polina.
Great.
I've just confirmed that
it can be.
This feature is not out yet, so you cannot do this.
So I need to basically, by one send tokens. right?
Yes, unfortunately.
Okay. That's not for massive usage like this, but okay, we'll go for this. It's fine. So this is well, and let's just create this proposal.
I know it's not super
Yeah.
effective.
So we know
but
what needs to be done, right?
yeah,
Artyom?
we have just only so much hands. It's we cannot make it more than what we have.
Okay, doesn't matter. Let's just go. So Andrew, let's just copy this. Actually, let me just open that in another so it will be in the easier. Yeah. I think I can do it in parallel, but just too many screens. Okay, we'll continue doing this, but first, let me maybe start creating some tasks so you can start doing things, right? And that's maybe also interesting. So
yeah,
right. So let me do that some tasks. Okay. So here we have a task. We don't have any task in this repository yet, and tasks are extremely, I think, interesting concept that we introduce now. So I can create task. I'll do the create task for GOSH repository, and I will put that. We'll put this in the task. I'll explain what it is, all of it. So I'll put his to push this repositories like GOSH repositories into GOSH, and so upload. What is the module here? Docker extension, right? Docker extension repos to GOSH. And okay, I won't any tag, I think, right? No tags here, or like
yeah,
admin.
we have to decide on
task.
cost. I think that's more important.
Let's put admin task. So okay, so here we have this. We have the total task cost, which will be paid from the GOSH reserve to the task creator, and we need to increase the allowance. We need to increase the tokens. Anyway,
Karma.
we'll do that now. Yeah, no, it's not a karma. Okay, I'll explain it. That doesn't matter. We cannot create this task yet, but okay, we need to do two things beforehand. So we will put here task total cost, and then this cost will go to, you can distribute this cost between like three types of roles, which is commit author, code reviewer, and the manager of the task, whoever will be closing the task, like for the closed task, whoever created, task for the closing of this task. So we basically have three roles, like the code creator itself, the code reviewer, and the manager, Scrum Master or product owner, or whatever if you have that. Of course, you don't need to. You can just disregard this. You can put this different distribution. And then you can add vesting, like lock and vesting to these tokens. You can get lock up to 12 months. You can get vested up to 60 months after the lock period. So this is, for example, a lock vesting for 5 years. And that would be the GOSH normal standard token distribution for all contributors. So it will be locked for 12 months and then vested. We now have linear like vesting. In the future, we will have different vesting schemes here. Right now, it's just linearly per month. And but before we create this task, actually, we need to increase our tokens. And for that, I need more people to vote with me. So I need to continue this. Sorry, guys, that I cannot kind of go around this. So let me put Oksana. Sorry. Okay. Let me give more tokens to people. I still need to do that because I don't want to vote for myself for all that. Because the first thing we need to vote for is to increase the total supply and to disallow minting, right? Because that's how we set up the token. That's according to our tokenomics. There will be 100 million tokens of DAO or GOSH DAO, and these tokens will not be minted anymore. So we will just set this up. I need to vote for all that now. Okay, can you ask kind of Sergey and Roma to be with us here? Okay, that's new one. Okay, that's the new one. Voting tokens.
One thing is, Sergey mentioned is, since if you would be adding more people now,
Yes,
to
we will
vote,
need more votes, of course. But
yeah,
we
you
have
would need more people to do voting.
Of course, we have these people on the call. That's
So
why.
yeah, that's what. Okay, let me tell him to accept those.
Yes, please accept those. And guys, you whoever got the tokens, you will need to work with us now to get us through this. You cannot leave.
I think you send me tokens, but I don't like the balance is 0 on my account. So
it's not approved yet. That's why.
okay.
The token distribution.
Okay,
approved.
got it.
Okay. We have some new DAO members, I think, here. Okay. Okay. That's why I'm distributing not to. No, I didn't send you a token. Oh, I did in the beginning, right? That's why I'm not sending tokens to everyone. Right now, I will send to Alexander, but I want just to send it to people who are actually now online. Okay, the next, yeah, I see now the tokens are being distributed. Okay, so I will need to revote here. For some reason, Anna. Oh, it's interesting.
I already have tokens. I think she will accept it.
So
Do I need to
okay,
accept
okay.
it?
Yes, no, you don't need to accept it.
No.
But ask you, it's already there. So you already have tokens. Just
Voting
reload the page. You have voting tokens. Okay. Can they kind of do it faster?
in terms of
of voting.
I know we don't have a feature for like a multiple voting right now. It's like during the prioritization of work, we decided that this kind of events wouldn't be that often for DAOs, so we kind of deprioritized it for the other features.
No, of course, of course, of course. Oh, so I need to send Sergey for voting. Okay. Let me do this. Oops. Okay, so we have that. No, wait. Something else. Okay, let's reload this page. Maybe here. Yes, we have some tokens, not all of them. I think I distributed more. But...
Yeah, now Anna and you and someone else has to vote to get
Yes,
pass
of course.
the majority.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Let's add more people. So this is important votes, which I don't want to make alone or with like want more people here. Add voting tokens, the voting tokens. See that one, for example. Okay, I'll create. Okay, we need to wait for this because any proposal that I create now will take into account the tokens outstanding, right? So that's why we need to wait until it's all accepted by vote. Let's go.
This is an interesting scenario where we have a sort of zero state governance and how it grows and gradually decentralizes in first steps.
Yes.
I actually see that now Oksana has voting rights, and like, yeah, now you have to vote.
Okay.
Pass this.
For our messaging.
Now we actually can they can say no. Wait a second.
Yeah, they can block it down.
Okay, have some more.
As I usually do. I don't agree.
Yes. Well, that's why we need even more people. That's how decentralization happens, right? Correct. So, okay. Now the first thing we need to do is have some of this getting accepted as we speak. This list is not yet normally kind of ordered. We will work on that. So probably we have, let's see, we have already good enough kind of quorum. Okay, well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. Great. I think let's give some to Sam, maybe also. Who am I forgetting here? Okay. Let's send some 100. What I'm doing with the tokens to Sam. Yeah, the batching is not done, but we will obviously do that because, like, okay, we have a small organization. Imagine people trying to set it up for, I don't know, for a huge repository with thousands of contributors. Obviously, we will need some batching tools. But okay, right now it will be more manual stuff, which I think it's fine. Okay. This one, send it to Sergey. Just to put it.
Imagine someone will make account name 100. How many tokens he will obtain?
Yes. Well, no.
Unfortunately, it's not
yeah, actually,
possible.
yes. Well, it is not possible.
L000.
He won't get. Okay. No, it's fine. Sergey, where is your name? What is your name?
My name is Aunion. I'm right on top of the bot.
Okay. All right. We will send you some tokens because I just realized that I didn't send you any tokens, which is completely incorrect. Let's do this. Okay, so there is a difference again. So without increasing karma, the tokens that you have are not voting for DAO decisions. Okay, without having DAO tokens, you cannot vote because the karma goes out of your DAO tokens. So there are like different scenarios that you can think of how you can set up your DAO. For example, you can say, go buy my tokens and come on and request a membership with these tokens, and I can give you some karma. And if you don't have tokens, you don't participate in my DAO, which is kind of an easy to take, an easy way to just raise money for your project, for example. Well, we'll talk about that. Will be a separate stream about money making, and there are some huge announcements that we're going to do in that respect, not spoiled today. Okay, so we wait for Sergey getting his tokens, and we're, I think, all set to our first major decision. Oh, 200 is not enough already, guys. We need to.
Yes, of course.
We need to vote.
That's what I was telling you. That more people you add, more people need to vote.
Of course, I know, but you know, let's do it, guys. Okay, so go repository.
They can't Slack now. They need.
Sorry,
I mean,
go DAO, and you have here like this one, this proposal. See this proposal? I'll post it in the chat now. The address is here.
Yeah,
so
and
I'll be posting in dev. I'll be posting in dev. Go click on that. Click on that, please, and vote.
Yeah, and
this is distribution of tokens to Sam. Sorry, Andrew.
I'm saying if you disagree for some reason, please comment so we can understand why you're doing that.
Yes.
So at the moment, we have only the core members of the GOSH development team have been distributed some karma.
We don't have all team members yet.
Right, that's true. Not all.
Yeah. No.
But the only people at the moment, with a couple of exceptions, are members of the core GOSH development teams.
Yes. Yes, of course. We are on the call.
Yes.
Okay, so we have some guys. Please give some hand to Sam. Yeah, accepted. You see 400 tokens there. Accepted. Excellent.
It was me.
All right. Wait a second.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we have another one here. We have that's we don't know. That goes to the. Oh, actually, I need to do this. It will go to the. Okay, we need to do this. This is for Sergey. Please vote. Here is the link. Yeah. 300. We need 100 more, or maybe more. I don't. If so, what happens is that in SMV, in order to proposal to be accepted immediately, you need 51% of votes. In the rest of the cases, it will take up till the end of the voting period, which is 7 days, to determine if you have enough balance of the yes votes against no votes for this to pass, and that doesn't need to be 51%. And that is because SMV, of course, is optimized for low participation. So if you think that in most of the cases today, like you need to run after 51% of people to vote, which is sometimes very hard to do, particularly if you want to vote for like commit or something like that. So you don't need to do that. Okay.
A question I'm sure our viewers might ask that I'd like you to answer, Mitya, is what happens to the tokens after someone's voted with them?
Nothing. It will just return to you. It's just the karma. So it's okay. I mean, I don't want to go into internals of the smart contracts, but you can vote for as many proposals as you want. We
Just
have
the karma,
accepted. It's not just the karma, it's the karma. Okay. All right, I think we're all okay. We're set. So let's see. We have members and let's go. Yeah, I think we're okay to take a decision already. So the decision we need to take is, first of all, we need to mint, and the amount of tokens that we need to mint is like 1 second. Is this. Please check me.
Andrei,
Confirm.
check him.
Well, guys, it's 99,989,680 plus 10,320, which should give you 100 million tokens. Not a single more.
Looks right to me.
Right? Mental math.
How have you checked?
Go wonder.
Yes.
I counted in my
Okay.
Yes.
In your smart contracts.
Yeah, I looked over every number in a lot of detail.
It's correct.
Okay, Paulina with the decisive vote.
Yes, yeah.
All right. All right, guys. So let's mint this. So we're going to mint now the additional tokens. Here is the votes. Okay. It says what we're doing, and I'm posting that. Please vote for the increase of the DAO tokens to 100 million in total, according to GOSH Tokenomics. Let's see. Important decision. Wow, 500. Nice. Let's get some more. Way. Accepted. So now, second, very, very important decision, crucial decision to any DAO is this actually tiny mark in settings of the DAO, allow mint. I did check that number, that box. That means if you uncheck this option, the DAO token supply will be capped at 100 million tokens forever. There is no way to change it. It's in smart contracts. Done. Okay. I'm just disallow mint. What am I doing?
I want you.
And this is my dyslexic me.
It's even worse.
Please note everyone.
Please explain to me how to
Disallow.
how to write this motherfucker.
This
Double
dyslexic
L.
person is in charge of making sure.
Okay, it's 2L. Yes, I mean, right. Well, you know, for me, the double S or double L means exactly the same. I never understood why you need to have two the same letter. in the
It's
word.
from pronunciation, you know? Disallow.
Because my
Disallow.
pronunciation never. Well, yeah, right.
It's
Okay. So, save changes, start proposal. That proposal is hard to kind of. Okay.
Crash the blockchain.
It's what everyone has voted already. Like how did that happen?
I have voted. And
You have voted for this proposal?
Yes.
Oh, that was bloody fast.
Oh, where?
But where is the proposal itself? It's multi-proposal. This one? Yeah, but nobody voted. This proposal is not
Might
voted
be
yet.
bug in UI, I guess.
In
Don't know.
UI, yes, I think it's a bug in UI. It's just read the number from the proposal. Okay, we need to fix this, please. Oh, wait, okay.
Yeah,
I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, so first of all, I vote for this. Guys, let's vote. Let's accept that change. And then I'll do something. $200, $300. No, that's fine, because that we voted before. No bug. Everything is fine. There is no bug in the interface.
Yes,
Yeah,
because I
it's
voted
a different
for
proposal. Yeah, it's a different proposal. Okay, I got it. That's fine. Everything is fine. No. All right. Here we go. So the DAO has been set to total DAO supply of 100 million tokens with no mint allowed, and I cannot click that anymore
no.
because it's done. It's done. All right. Great. So now we can go to task creations, actually, right? So did I start to create? Yes. So here was the task. Okay. So I suggest, like, okay, so this task will distribute some tokens for the commit of the uploading Docker extent. But we're doing uploading, but actually what we want to do is we want to kind of give tokens for everything that was done up until now, which almost a year of work. So the tasks will be taken by the people who contributed to this particular part of the work, and so therefore this tasks will cost like a lot of tokens, because we actually want to distribute the tokens to the core team for the contribution they've been doing up until now already. So like I suggest at least 250,000 tokens for each of them. Won't be a lot of these tasks because like we already distributed between. So I suggest 250,000 tokens for each task. That's my suggestion, which will go to like, we will be a reviewer. Which I think in this case, like we will do like something like that. And the rest will go here. I'm sorry. That's not exactly okay. So 80% to the developer, 10% to the code reviewer, 10% for the whoever closed the task, because we want to distribute the tokens also to the other members of the team who are not the code writers, but the team around, which relates to the product first. Let's start from this. And so that's what I propose. If you have any objections or any suggestions, please please tell me. I just then click this button if Zoom allows me. So the proposal goes now for creation of this task, means that you need to vote. You'll need to vote for this task. And if you vote yes for this task, then that's what's gonna happen.
Oh, you have some.
Yes,
you have
because it's 5 years. Yeah,
period.
I know. That's what will happen. Is you see have the table of the token distribution for everyone involved in this task, which will be involved in this task. And I accept, yeah.
Did you add Cliff there too?
Sorry? What did I do?
Have you added Cliff there too? Vesting.
I added this. Yes, I've added Cliff and vesting. Of course, that's like 5 years vesting for 5 years, including Cliff and vesting. That's what we. That's again according to tokenomics. That was what we promised to investors. And that's how all the tokens will be distributed. Send vote. Yeah, let's just vote. I have to say, this is amazing. Like, this is amazing work, guys.
Absolutely. Well done, everyone.
All right. So while people are doing this, I'll create some other tasks which we need to do. Git remote GOSH. So why there are no tasks?
They haven't been accepted yet.
Oh, I see. Okay. We will have to. But how they are going to be accepted? Oh, because they're voting. Okay. All right. So we continue with GOSH repository, and task name is upload. Yeah, okay, I'll put it in the comments. So upload git remote GOSH. And that's admin. And the task cost is 250,000. And it goes 80% to the developer, 10% to the reviewer, and 10% to them, to the administration around it. Sounds about right. Clicking that. We will put here, like, of course, there's a lot of improvements we will go to do into the interface with templates and so on. Please write us with any kind of feature enhancements proposal for what we need to do in the groups. Okay, we have a task awaiting commits. So what is happening here is when you commit to the or maybe Andrew, can you explain in details maybe how the tasks work from that point?
From what point, sorry?
From the point that they are accepted. But now the DAO has put this. Now if you commit, right? Please explain how do you need to commit in order to get that task reward.
Oh, Yeah, when you actually create a pull request, I mean, first you upload your changes and everything as a separate branch. And whenever you try to do pull request to the protected branch where you vote for acceptance, you can attach an existing task to your pull request, and people can check if this task is complete with your changes. And if so, once first, actually, it has to be reviewed, and second, once it's accepted from the reviewer standpoint of view, like all people can vote for this particular commit to be pushed into the protected branch and reward a person and manager and reviewer with this task reward, and pretty much, I mean, once it's accepted, definitely, that's pretty much it. This is like if commit gets into the branch, and this commit has this task assigned, then persons who were on this pull request that they attach to this, like a whole bundle, they will be rewarded. But I don't know how much in details you want to go. It's everything happens on the blockchain contracts level. That's I don't think you need to like. You can definitely go and check contracts.
Monitoring goes to the GOSH monorepo.
Yes.
Okay. Just wanted to check because that's what I want to put here. Okay. Please vote for additional tasks that have been created, unless you have objections. Monitoring, upload. That is task for Alexander. So the guys who actually committed the most, like they will pick up this task to upload what's been done before. Hope you understand how it works. If you have any questions, by the way, if you like, Anton, if you see any questions on YouTube or in channels, please ask me in the poses as well. Okay, so Artyom, I will do this design repo. Sorry, Anton, did you want to say something?
No.
Okay, this goes to design. Me and Artyom will it's design. Sorry, task name is completely different. This name is design. Design and here and here and design Figma files. Again, we're full open source, so obviously we just upload everything. Okay, created. If you can, Anton, if you can post the this into, because people are kind of missing, I think, this create tasks. We can post them in our channel so people will see it. Okay. That task for Roman. Need to do. Let's see. Gosh. React, gosh, and web. Am I writing something? Mm-hmm. to characters. Wait. Okay. Tests. Docs, we have docs and tests. Docs and tests we have. Okay. Tests are going to monorepo and docs are going to different repo, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So we need like 2 tasks, right? So we select first docs. You know what? We just put docs, upload, and the rest. We just, because like you understand, like for just not to overload that. So I put here repo and docs docs repo like that, but in the comments, and that's will be fine. Docs upload. Okay, the docs and tests in tests but in the comments.
Yeah,
So we don't over.
Oh, it's still better to separate them, otherwise.
No, they will be separated. Like, okay, so we just create this task for the token distribution purposes, and then Oksana will just create another task for the tests, which won't go for this.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, it's just for shortness of the thing, because we don't want to sit here until the morning next day, which I think may happen anyway. Okay, so this test for Oksana. Let's go on. So, CI. Why not accepted, by the way? Why I see people not accepting this anyway? Strange thing. That's in our internal documents. You're not voting for tasks, people. Come on, wake up.
It is quite difficult to find tasks among those add member.
Yeah.
Yeah,
exactly.
I think. Well, post them on the channel.
So also you should like vote like one task only, because you are waiting for the token to be returned and wait for the next one. So that's why it takes some time.
I don't think you need to wait for anything, really.
But if you already put like 100 tokens, you should wait for completion of this proposal to wait.
No.
Is it true? No?
No, you don't.
No, it's like a couple of seconds until it's loading.
You don't need to wait for anything.
Okay.
It's the most efficient smart contract system in the world, Sam. This is just no waiting for anything. This is really brilliant architecture.
Nice. It's like
no pun intended.
Yeah, I was just like
yes, because you're like in the world of Ethereum smart contracts, or I don't know. Something like that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have very important.
Okay, I can see 3 tasks. Should I vote
already? Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Created by me. Just see check that it's created by me, and that's fine. So no one has. Okay, so we have smart contracts. Task for Sergey, who is single-handedly created all of this bonanza in smart contracts.
Amazing.
Yes.
As
every other work as well here, because we don't have a lot of people, and each of guys did single-handedly what they did.
Yes.
Okay, go for GOSH contribution science. Now, GOSH contribution science, Oksana, do you want it to be like one task, or the GOSH contribution science, you mean all of the work that because
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
tell me.
I suppose that it should be some kind of strategy proposal with links to another DAO, if it will be for Jocelyn DAO, for example.
Mm-hmm.
It
Okay.
will be some
No. I mean
with-
that the creation
Jocelyn
of
DAO
the...
will be separated, of course.
Yes. I understand. No, that's fine. That's not my question. Anyway. Okay.
Give me a question, please.
Yeah, I already kind of know the answer. Wait, one second. The question is, which repository should I choose for this? Interesting. Let me put it in docs for now, just because we kind of sorry, this and we won't. I don't want to create another repository for this because you have a separate kind of trust them. So we just leave it here. We just leave it here. Okay. And we have one more, which is license. That license. That's funny. Okay, we'll do that. Task name, license. All right. License up creation. Okay.
It's not even creation, it's uploading. And
Okay,
I think this is
uploading.
the best possible task.
It's also the most expensive one.
Double plus.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay, so just for the sake of the record, Andrew, who is doing the license task and getting 250,000 tokens for this, is the CTO.
I saw like a missing zero there.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You need to correct me because like I can miss zeros, I can miss the whole sections sometimes. Yes, so that is like Andrew is a CTO, so we couldn't find a single repository for Andrew to upload because he was doing everything.
I touched everything, it just doesn't count.
Yes, exactly. So I think we are done. No, we're not because it's not. This list is not. Did I create the task for blog? I didn't, right? I didn't.
No, you haven't created the task for blog.
Because there is not in the table. And thank you very much.
It was for developers team. Sorry, guys.
Okay, exactly. Everyone else's kind of can go. Right.
Engineers win.
Yes, exactly. Engineers only.
And DAO for developers. Okay, we understood.
Yes, exactly. So let me tag upload.
We're just docs.
Upload all marketing posts and blog materials. Here.
Did you create task for Artyom? I missed it. He was in the table.
I did create.
Okay.
I did create task for Artyom.
And one more note: you haven't created a voting to accept me into the DAO. I mean, to increase
I
votes
did.
for me.
Of course I did.
Yeah, I have 0 voting right there. I have 0 karma.
Because people didn't like to vote for you. What are you crying? You need to have more social skills, I guess.
Sure. I remember this.
You know how it works. Okay, are you serious now?
Well, let's check it out. I have 0
Cool.
alone.
Guys,
I incidentally also have 0 allowance. Dorothy
you
Parker.
maybe not so accidentally, but Andrew, I'm
No,
sure
you just-
I remember.
You
I'm
just
voting
appeared,
everywhere.
guys.
Sorry, Alina?
You just appeared, guys. We didn't have time to vote for you, but we are doing now.
Yes, exactly.
You see, Andrew, you see. Oh, we didn't have time.
I remember that was like a voting with just me alone has like a negative vote. That's only one.
Wait. Where are members? Where are
And I think we should do a GOSH revolution, take this DAO over, you know?
At least it's easy to find you in the list.
Luca, what is your sorry.
Dorothy Parker.
Oh, of course. I mean, that is so logical that
Yeah, absolutely.
I sure couldn't miss that. How could I miss it? How could I not understand?
Yes.
By the way, you see how nicely the minting button disappeared? Kadus to Roman.
Yeah.
Kadus to Roman. Okay, Dorothy Parker gets 100 token and 100 karma.
Why isn't this
Is this lovely? Is this lovely? The Dorothy Parker has found 100 karma. Funny by itself. Okay, so we have some more tasks allowed. So whose tasks missed? Please tell me or write me. What tasks did I miss? I went through the table. Again, this is the initial distribution for the previously done work. It's not final distribution or anything like that. This one just for the right away for the it's not finished, by the way. We will do some more now. And again, this doesn't finish today, but at least, okay, let's finish with the core team. Did I miss anyone?
Can you please accept Lingua.com? Another one, my third.
Can you
helper.
send me the link to their proposal, please?
Okay, I try to find.
Yeah, because I don't want to try to find. You try to find.
Okay.
I haven't seen my task, I think.
Oh, correct. You see, correct. Yes.
I think it should be for the blog posts, I guess.
Yes, I think it should go to the kind of marketing section.
Yeah.
So that will go to the marketing section, goes to blog, because we have like centralized market. All marketing, which whatever you call marketing, goes through the blog section. We don't have also a task for Anna, who is sitting quiet. I don't know why. Okay.
We don't have enough task for Mara.
And we don't have a task for Maren. Yes. So we continue doing this.
But there is a task for blog upload and marketing.
That's for Luca. So that one now we kind of create so we'll do that. PR and marketing, something like that. PR.
Is it gonna be like some filter where we can, sort everything is the ones that are accepted
yes,
are going
it
like
will be. Yeah, it
There
will be.
the end.
There will be multiple improvements on that, definitely.
Okay,
Yeah, of course.
gonna help.
Tons of work there.
Will be really
Obviously.
helpful.
I will actually put names here in comments for this task, because otherwise you can just grab someone else's task. I didn't put for Luca, but just guys remember that your tasks, you know, just please remember that. So when you commit for these tasks, don't grab someone else's. So please look at the comments. Okay.
I'm not sure we have the task for CI created.
Yes, we did.
We have it.
It did
I
not
remember
vote
it.
yes.
Yeah,
No,
you
no,
have your
I
task,
did.
definitely.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I remember that you were created, but I can't find it.
It might be in the voting. You
I'm
need to
still
check the
voting.
voting part.
Maybe, yeah.
And by the way, you can vote.
Okay. I refused everything, but
Yes, there is a task. Sure. Just wait for everyone to vote on everything.
Okay, just a second.
I'll put just okay.
You sent it, yes, in the chat. Mitya, I mean.
I didn't send anything. Right now.
Okay, where should I put my vote already?
Okay, there is important thing. Okay, we will talk about that 1 second. Okay, that's Maran.
Maybe you also create a task for DeSci writers.
No, that is not going to happen now, because we cannot go with this. Like, we will create this. It's
Okay.
not the end of the tasks.
No, I
Okay, but the smaller tasks for not initial members, we just create it as we go.
Okay.
So there's no reason to do it right now. So what is important is that the tasks for Amir, Anton, and Anna, you need to, when you creating the tasks, you need to choose when you upload. Okay, let me show you. So if you want to, like, you go to GOSH and you want to create what here? Let's say I go to index. And you just want to add a file. Okay, it doesn't matter. So when you add a commit, so right, you need to select a task. By the way, because we didn't, yeah, right, because there is no task in this. We didn't create a task for this. Yeah,
nothing.
But if we would create a task for index repository, we would you would choose it here, and you see you would see your name, and then you need to provide manager and reviewer here. So when you guys, I'm talking about Polina, Luca, and everyone, when you create this task, please add the reviewers, and we will need to talk like which task, not now, which task will be reviewed by whom. Of course, the developers' tasks need to be like reviewed by Amir or Anton alternatively, and then this is how these guys will get their tokens. Okay. So
yes,
please remember. So we have 3 people, right? We have Anna, Anton, and Amir. So please just coordinate between yourself who you put as reviewer and managers for these tasks.
Okay.
All right.
Well, this would, like, for the initial distribution, it would add kind of difficulties, since now you, like, it will be just harder to evenly distribute this token, since, like, for one
Mhm.
person it may be more, for other persons maybe less.
That's why I said you need to coordinate.
We could, I mean, for the sake of distribution only, we could put all three fields ourselves, but this will be just not a normal process.
So you basically suggest me to create a task for Amir, Anton, and Anna, and just
yeah,
do
that will be much
Okay.
easier, and
Yeah. Okay. All right. Fine. Let's do
it will be even, and I think it's just fair.
Okay.
honestly.
Let's do that. I'll go to like blog. Disrespect. Okay, we'll do that. Then we could actually do this, right?
We could have, but I think it needs to have at least
No, it doesn't.
one anyway.
No, it doesn't.
Well, yeah, we can try.
You may encounter an error when creating.
Sorry?
You may encounter an error when creating. Try, maybe it will work.
I don't think so. It's my decision, I think. So that is Anton. PO. Sorry, Amir PO. Incorrect vesting scheme. Reviewer, I must have a reviewer actually.
Yeah, you must have a reviewer, you must have a manager. But for, as I said, for this particular case, we could put ourselves as reviewer and a manager, and everyone else will still need to vote for this. It's not even like if you put everything yourself, everything just works. No, you still have to go through this review process for everyone else to accept it. So there would be voting, and we can vote for this, since we know these people did a lot of work, and they definitely deserve this reward.
Yes. True. Okay, so I created a task for Amir. Now let me create a task for Anton.
Scrum, please. Not scam.
Yes. Right. That's.
Don't want to be the scam master.
Yeah, it's also like with another letter, I think. Okay. Nevertheless.
No, it was with this letter.
Yeah, this is like the last thing that it is.
I think we should also create a little task for the README file that we are going to publish. Put it right at the front and center in the GOSH DAO.
You already have your task. So, okay, we just create initial tasks here. So, and Anna. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's like I even can't, I can write this very long line here, but it's okay. All right.
I sent the link in the chat for acceptance of another one member. Please accept.
In which tab? You sent
Here.
Here.
Def last one. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Any questions? Do you have any questions up until now? From whoever still is with us on the second hour of the call.
I think we should discuss people like from Everex and others.
Yes,
who are
yes.
waiting for
We will.
for-
Well, we will airdrop section is coming. Yeah, so as you can see, people already started to upload this. So we have like several branches created here already. No files yet, just branches, right? You didn't push. Oh, so some of that's pushed already. So people are starting to like getting their uploads, and so the way that works, because I also want to like just touch briefly on that. When someone would need to kind of merge to the main, which you see this, it's kind of, you see this lock here, then the DAO voting will be required, right? So then it's all of the acceptance of this will happen. Okay, so I think we have like, by that time, we also have some more people wanted to join, I think. Am I correct? Let's see. No. Okay.
You can vote for my task.
I can vote for your task? Yeah, wait. It's already, everything is accepted. I don't even need to
No,
vote
not read
anymore.
task, but PR. I have sent you directly.
Let's see. Well, let's finish with the sort of airdrop before just okay. So like again, so the kind of it will be hard for us to actually vote for the final numbers, because we need to run some maths on them. We cannot just do it on this call. But I suggest generally to reward like everyone who has participated, if we agree, like contributed to GOSH overall. In let's say just in the batch of 25,000 tokens to start from, and we will then kind of through the interactive process may increase that number. What do you say? I don't know.
It's like 10th% of, I mean, 10th of work that's been done. Do you think that's, I mean, I mean, I don't know. I feel like too much. It's just like constantly.
Too much.
Yeah, it's too much. It should be less number.
Okay, 10,000.
Guys,
Guys, any suggestions?
Yeah, it's closer to. Any other suggestions? What people think? Like,
yeah, exactly.
This guy definitely helped us, but in terms of volume of work that had been done, in the past year compared to what our team did. I don't know. I mean, if you give like a 10% from what others did, it's just, I feel like just a little bit too much.
Okay, well, you have to also, I agree. Okay, you have to also take into account that the initial distribution of 250,000 tokens is not final, right? Of course.
It is not final, but it is. It's already there, and this is like, since we say that this is for the past year, then just think how much work we've been working on and how much
No,
work.
of course. Okay, I agree. I'm fine. Whatever you decide, guys.
I mean, we can definitely reward. I mean, continue rewarding those people as long as they help us. But for now, like, I think 10,000 is fair. Everything else, it will be unfair to other developers on our side.
Yeah, well,
this is what my thoughts.
Right. You also need to take into consideration, of course, that like the contribution over the last year, that a lot of this contribution being paid for already. Like this contribution from, at least if we talk about EverX team, the EverX team was well rewarded for this contribution in money terms. So yeah, I totally agree that it should be reflected into the number of the distribution. So yeah, I'm with you on that.
What of the cases in which they weren't?
What cases that what? Sorry, didn't get it.
Well, there were also, and generally speaking, I must preface this by saying that I completely agree with what Andrew said. I'm just simply pointing out the eventuality that there were also some core members of the GOSH development team who were not remunerated in the beginning.
No, of course, I'm talking about, yes, but I'm just talking about, right now we're talking about EverX team.
Okay.
That we want to kind of give some tokens of GOSH because of the contribution, past contribution. But what I'm saying is that they have been awarded because we cannot really separate the team members from, like EverX team members from EverX itself. And EverX itself was rewarded by hundreds of thousands of dollars for this contribution.
Yes.
So we cannot just disregard this. And obviously the remuneration of the development team cannot be as generous as it would be.
Yes,
that things would be different.
I agree. Good point.
All right. So let's we don't need to actually accept anyone to the DAO, right? We just can send some tokens. So let's just do that.
Also,
oh no, we cannot do that because no, we cannot do that.
But also
we need a vesting scheme.
For the decentralization project, I personally would be in favor of accepting them to the DAO.
Okay, so let's accept them to the DAO, and then.
No, we can accept them and not give them like a voting.
Yes, voting rights, of course. We don't need to give them
yes.
voting rights.
I think that's
okay. Okay, so for contribution into GOSH from, I would say, for external contribution to GOSH.
Oh, and it's not into, it's just to, okay. All right.
Into GOSH, you cannot do it?
To GOSH.
Okay. Done. well, first, so let's first accept. Okay, so I can close this.
Airdrop. See, airdrop fun.
Airdrop.
Airdrop fun. Woohoo!
Wait a second. I don't think that we. Oh, it's still your scale. Never mind.
No, that's Everscale, but doesn't matter because we're talking about because we're talking about airdropping now. So we just airdrop. Again, airdrop is like pick a number between 1 to 10, and we'll just okay 1 to 100. I'm generous today. Pick
81.
a number between 1 to 100, and let's just airdrop. 81.
81.
81. Remember these tokens, they 81. No voting.
The most ridiculous airdrop ever.
Airdrop. This is the airdrop guy. Okay, so
This is the airdrop.
remember the
Yeah.
airdrop. This when this rains on me, that's what the airdrop means.
So Crypto
So-
Boy, you're welcome. Yes,
Welcome to GOSH DAO.
welcome to Gosh.
You
Exactly.
missed R.
Airdrop. It's actually even better.
It's actually airdrop.
Airdrop. Nobody thought about that.
Airdrop, yeah.
Okay.
It's like the titles that didn't quite make it.
Многоборец, Everscale, EverSDK. Well, okay, so that goes same thing. So we accept for I hope if someone watching, who is this? Like I cannot tell who is
They're not
this.
going to respond. They're not going to be
Me
like,
neither.
I don't know who is that. So please confirm me in Discord, guys. Who is this person? Okay, we know Artyom. So we can just for contributing to GOSH, external, contribute for external.
from contributing to Gosh from
Or
within.
external contribution to GOSH, something like that. I need to copy paste this and just go. Let's see. Oh, Katya. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, I think okay, we need to accept Katya definitely into the GOSH. And there is no question asked. Here we have, I don't know who is SV91. Please confirm the name of this person. Okay, this is Kirill. So let's accept him into GOSH. That's airdrop. Okay, I have an airdrop. So please pick a number between 0 to 100. To 100, to 100. Who is picking up the number?
Luca.
Guys.
Yeah,
No,
okay.
why?
1 to 100.
He
1 to
started.
74.
Okay.
Random number generator.
Airdrop. Like that.
You making it worse.
Airdrop, yeah.
Actually, it's evolving.
Yes, as you can see. Okay. So I can close this, right? That I can close. Well, I don't know who's that, right? So Katya can close. I don't know who is this. Please confirm. I can close Kirill. This one being airdropped. Airdropped. Okay, this is Slava.
Oh.
So yeah, let's accept. No. X. So into the DAO. I've been following GOSH for some time now, and I'm excited about it. Love to contribute to DAO in any way I can. Nice. Please pick a number.
12.
That was brutal.
69.
That was brutal.
Yeah.
99 for this is like I feel I don't,
All
I
right.
don't know. I feel
All right.
horrible.
All right. We went this airdrop of 99 tokens. Whoever comes, with a higher number will be, so yeah. Okay.
By the way, 100 is included or not?
Is included to where?
I mean, you pick a number from 0 to 100. 100 is included or not?
I know you picked 99. That was mysterious choice, but you didn't pick 100
Yeah, I wasn't sure about
because you thought it started from 0. Well, let me tell you something about money. The money is not starting from 0. Okay, Alexei, I'm an early investors and followers of the projects. Now, Alexei did confirm to me. Okay, I see. Okay, I see what Alexei means. Alexei means that when he says investors, he means that he locks some tokens for the validation program. Okay, I think in this case, the airdrop should be bigger. I think we can go up to like 500 for people who contributed. Of course, these people also will have a separate because they are in the validator program, so they will have a separate distribution of GOSH tokens in the end of validation kind of period. So that is just an airdrop on top for being here today. So I say pick a number between 100 and 500. That's my take. What? How?
500 all the way. Let's go. Hardcore.
Okay.
500.
Hardcore.
Exactly. Hardcore air dope.
Oh shit, my mic was muted. Okay.
Dope hardcore.
Yes.
Air dope.
Here you are.
Yes.
Yeah, you should put like hardcore.
I think you should have just written straight to the vein.
All right, we're getting really hardcore now. Wait a second. Okay. Another airdrop ready for work and defense. Pick a number between 0 and 100. That's a member of Everscale community. We know guy well. It's also a KZT token holder.
This guy was very active in communications with us on social media. I think that's cool. So let's give him the full 100.
Yeah. Let's go. Airdrop.
We appreciate your discourse.
Not a single fucking mistake. I don't know how my brain works.
Air dope, not a single fucking mistake.
Yes, that was already okay. KWT wallet address. Now that's some stuff in Russian which I don't understand. Just kidding. Okay, so let's pick a number from 0 to 100.
31.
Anyone else want to improve on?
56. Going twice.
56, going once, going twice.
57.
57, going once, going twice.
61.
61, going once.
No.
Going twice.
I don't have the.
So
Sorry, the man in the blue chair.
Yes.
What did you say? What is the number?
61.
61.
Congratulations for buyer.
Look up
Going
one with
twice.
61.
61. Okay, 61. Nice. Airdrop. Here we go.
Auctioned off like cattle.
Like cattle. Now remember, these tokens are way more valuable because they are not locked, not this. You can send it, you can do it, something with this. You can actually come to the DAO, and next stage you can propose, because now you're a DAO member, now you can propose stuff, and you can actually propose to allow you some voting karma if you think that's appropriate, or you want to do
Of course,
something
Our
more. You want to
karma?
do something more. Sorry?
Appropriate. Karma appropriate, or what is appropriate?
Okay, we know this guy, so let's accept him to the please vote, by the way, guys. So there are some
Okay,
votings.
I should vote, yeah?
Everyone forgot about that part.
Yes.
Yeah, everyone's so glued to the entertainment on the
Yes.
screen. I think we're done. I mean, I'm sure we don't, but if anyone like see some members which we didn't kind of vote for,
I want to vote too.
you want to vote?
Yes.
Please do.
I don't have any voting commas.
Bad for you.
I can't vote either. It's just like they're not voting for us.
Okay, we have a confirmation from Nagaborets. What about EV91? Guys, so Blagoborets is Losha. So we can accept him for external. Eternal, for eternal.
Nice.
Okay, let's vote for Alexei from the SDK team to be accepted to the DAO. Who is Ursula? Who is Ursula?
It's from
Gabriel Garcia Marquez's 100 Years of Solitude. It's the great
Yes.
matron who
yes.
lived.
No, someone wants
We
to
must
enter
accept.
the Zoom room, and I just know who Ursula is. Okay.
Mita, give us voting rights, please, Maren and myself. Give us 100, please.
Okay, let's do that. So members.
Are we voting for these people to be accepted in DAO?
Yes, just to be accepted
Okay.
in DAO. No, nothing else. Just an acceptance where you can put them then task for which we can distribute tokens. Okay, because these tokens, the thing is, the problem is that these tokens, we cannot just send them the tokens. We need to lock them and vest them. To lock and vesting tokens can only be done via tasks. Okay, so who do I need to? Please tell me the username of Quantum Jobs 100. Who else? Give me the name.
Dorothy Parker. That's the name.
I already
You have
did.
to do this one by one.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I need to. I
And
send
if
you
it
the
you
token.
already did, it might be in the voting and just it wasn't.
Yes.
voted for.
It wasn't voted for. For quantum jumps, I'm not sure I sent anything.
Yeah, we need to check that. It's just like
Yeah, let's check that. Like, I cannot. I'm sorry. That's okay.
check
So
for the DAO members votings right now that are in progress, and close those first before you do anything else.
So this, for example, at regular tokens 100, someone voted against. I'm not kidding.
Yeah, if somebody voted against, you need to have majority for this.
Yes, I know, I know.
I mean,
Someone voted against the airdrop.
why not?
Interesting.
Well, you
Interesting.
cannot overbid it for sure. You have 100 and 100.
I know, I
voted
am
against.
not overbidding anything. I'm just voting.
No, well, okay.
I'm just expressing
Wait,
my vote.
I just voted for it, like to accept, but maybe I was wrong. I don't know.
You
Well,
just hit
you
Somebody,
are
the
not.
no,
reject
but somebody
button.
else voted for it as well to accept.
Okay, there is a pull request I can vote for.
Yes.
Oh, license. Here we go. Here we go.
Vote. Andrei has to review his pull request first.
That's,
Yes, I
oh,
cannot.
yes,
I cannot
that's
vote.
actually-
I cannot vote.
Damn, I have to do this.
Review
too.
required. I'm sorry. You know.
By the way, I
Okay.
think I can safely say that when you give Maren and myself voting rights, we will definitely stay in line. We will stay the party line and vote the way you want us. I think this DAO needs a whip, is what it needs. I volunteer, frankly. I'll just yes.
Yes. By my vote.
Yeah, well,
Need
that's
need to be a kind of a task. Okay,
Yeah.
we cannot do this. So so what about that? Create a task, that's in progress. I need to vote for this maybe. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. Tick. So that create task is still in progress. We need, okay, I think we need one more. Oh, no, I did it. Okay. Yes, I'm sure Artyom now is sitting in there and saying, how could I just
Add voting tokens. There you
do
go.
what I did?
Who is that?
No, why didn't I think of that or that before? What's that? DAO membership. Okay, let's see. What's that? Oh, we kind of, I voted for him. Yeah.
Yes, you voted, but it is just only just 100. Now you have lots of people. Everyone needs to vote. Otherwise, just...
Andrew, I know. Please don't repeat me that. I'm just saying that I
Yeah,
voted,
yeah.
so I don't need to vote again.
Add voting tokens has 600, and I think there's one more person who needs to vote for it.
It's accepted. No, 600 is enough. No, it's accepted. See,
It's been
Is it enough? I mean,
600
Okay.
was enough.
Enough yet.
Well, who is this for?
now,
Okay,
yeah,
that
since you're
task
adding more people,
I can now, that task I can now accept just right away.
The honestly, the activity that all of a sudden sprung into action in this DAO over the last 3 hours is 2 hours is quite something. I mean, you know, already sort of
I think so, yeah.
very lively, I think.
Oh, now people start to write in GOSH chat, airdrop, please, and the link to the proposal. Love it, love it. That is lovely. Really, this is lovely.
I warn you fellas that I'm deciding the numbers, so
This is just lovely. So yeah, let's do that. I am giving full 100 for this, just because of the great kind of a way to
just asking. Basically, you're giving 100 for the effort of asking.
For the effort of no, it's not just asking; it's an asking with a link to the proposal.
Right.
So that is really, this is just a new dynamics in the internet.
Yes. Like, here you go.
Send me a link to the GOSH proposal. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, I think these DAO members that we need to reject them, by the way, because otherwise they will just sit here forever. Oh, that's another airdrop. Now people will sperm with like people will create names, different names. I don't think they can do that easily. So,
No,
let's airdrop. Let's airdrop, guys. Please pick a number. 0 to 100.
29. 29.
29. 21 goes once.
That's lower.
21 goes
39.
twice.
22.
39
48.
48 goes once. 48 goes twice. 48. 49 goes once. 49 goes twice. 49 sold.
Congratulations, D42G.
Lovely.
All that we do.
Okay. Let's see.
I
Oh, and then we
actually
still
see
need to
that people-
reject. We still need to reject. So this DAO member, what's that? No, that's Alex. And we actually need to vote for him. So urgently needed the operations over this list. Urgently.
I think it'll push us to eventually we'll have to come up with some sort of organization system, actually automated organization system for these DAOs.
Yeah, no. It's we need to improve that.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And that's definitely
What's
something.
that? So this is okay. So this we reject. Just simply reject. That's fine. So that's that. Let's see. Okay.
It's loaded for quite a while.
I'm not a developer, but maybe you could all be useful in the future. Let's airdrop. And we reject. So I send, no, that's the rejection to the DAO. That's fine. And let's airdrop. So, and that's reject. And that's okay. That's, I don't have confirmation. Please confirm me who is SV91 Evernote team developer. Okay. So airdrop. Please pick a number between 0 and 100.
25.
33.
34.
33. 34 or 40?
34. 34.
34 goes once.
Why 34?
34 goes twice. 34.
77.
49.
Too
Oh.
late. Too late. Just too late. Okay.
Listen, I'm going over also myself through these proposals, and we definitely need some sort of organization system then. Next thing we have.
Wait, wasn't it this person already?
No, I'm just rejecting because
No,
okay,
I'm
he's-
saying this same person has been awarded already airdrop or whatever.
Which one? This one no. This one is no,
Also,
it was different. It was different. Okay. This one where did I already voted. That one we already did,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Where's my tokens, please? I already
It's already voted negative.
Already voted. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. We voted negatively. Okay. So please vote for everything, because like I want this list to in progress be cleaned. There's too much in progress. Guys, please vote.
Let's see.
We almost cleaned almost everything, but not yet. So here you see, add regular tokens, just standing still, nobody voting. Please scroll.
I'm voting right now.
This is airdrop. Need to. Someone is rejecting all the times, guys. Who is rejecting airdrops? Someone is rejecting airdrops, like
it's not you
on a regular basis. No. Oh yes, of course. It's not.
Yeah, well done.
Well done, right? But why? No, but the problem is why it wasn't. Why it in the list it didn't say this? Okay, anyway, maybe the interface wasn't updated, because you see here it's 0, 0, 0. Add DAO member. We need to reject that.
Yeah, no.
Yes, we need to reject that. That is an airdrop. No, wait. This add regular tokens is actually the sending of the token. No?
Let me confirm.
No. I guess.
Yes, it is a sending of a token.
Yes.
You need to accept this, not reject this. You know, that's what
Everything
I'm saying,
is
guys.
unclear here.
It is very clear. It's just sending tokens. You know, maybe instead of add regular tokens, we need to put here send regular tokens. That would be easier.
Yes, exactly.
Because then
until this moment,
it's an add DAO. No, it's an add DAO member that you need to reject. That the token send you need to accept.
Well, Artem is here. His list just like growing. I can
yes,
see
growing by minutes. Growing by minutes. So this add regular token need to accept this, guys.
Also very important to note. It's very important to note for all the viewers who received airdrops that because many of you had votes against, you will have to wait just under 7 days. The actual airdrop. So stay tuned.
No.
I mean, maybe it will be overvoted. Who knows if majority votes for.
Yes, it can be. It will be overvoted. You will get your tokens. Don't worry. So, despite the fact that some people just don't want to send you anything.
So basically, we are rejecting all these people who wants to join DAO.
But accepting the add regular tokens to them. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. Otherwise, the airdrop won't happen. Okay. We have a lot accepted. It's not everything. So let me go to the end, just what's going on. It's a long list. It's a very long list. But the system works like a charm, basically, despite some inconveniences with the interfaces, which we will correct,
Yes.
quite quickly. All right, so we have, I will just open everything that's been in progress. And we will clean that mess. Okay, we're already working, so that's fine. Okay, we have this. Oh, okay, it's in progress. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. This, that, this.
We have a pull request.
Have a pull request? Oh,
Yes, we
pull
do.
request. Oh,
400 already voted for.
nice. Merge branch license and domain. Okay, that's fine. Nice. All right, so let me vote. Amazing. Just amazing.
I wonder how many
So-
people now needs to vote to be
600,
for
700,
acceptance.
something like that. Tokens. I think.
I voted for this.
Yeah, it's 11 people right now in DAO, so 6 is majority for right now, yet.
Yeah, we can leave it. It will be accepted in the 7 days. It's fine.
Was this task adequately reviewed though? Just asking. I'm sure it's. But I'm just curious.
You're talking about this license?
Yes.
Yes, this license, GNU General Public License.
It was generally reviewed.
That was thoroughly reviewed from 2007 onwards, from the version 3.
I see. No, I misunderstood what it was. I apologize.
If you're really paranoid, you can copy and compare it with.
Well, this
compare
is
it
something
with
that we
the-
need to do, like definitely for all licenses.
Yes.
Actually.
Yeah,
Mhm.
because like, of course, we may be missing something here. Right, someone put malicious code saying that all the code here belongs to someone else.
Malicious paragraph, I bet.
Yes, exactly.
You better to check me.
I'll check it. Nobody vote for it yet. I'll look it
It's
up.
too late. It was actually voted.
It was accepted already.
Really?
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
all your tokens are belong to Andrew.
Right. Oh, fantastic.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, if we die, we die. That's,
This is how you do sneak attack.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is very
Right.
important to note, to have some sort of best practices for other DAOs, actually, for in general. Like I'm sure this is fine, but like people should really review things before they vote for them.
There is for that there is a
Definitely.
reviewer before the DAO voting. There is a reviewer
Yes.
that must review, and then only then the DAO votes.
And this thing
Like
had
you have a yeah.
Oh, okay. This thing had a reviewer?
Of course, which was Andrew.
Each task has a reviewer.
Okay, sorry. Okay, good. Thank God.
I mean, in general, the person who writes something, code or whatever it is, shouldn't be a reviewer. But for this particular case, we decided that we can accept it for one reason. It's pretty much just to look back to the past work that has been done already and review already.
Okay,
done.
I see. I see.
Okay, this is an investor, and I think we should accept him to DAO. And just for now, just to accept. So
I shall vote for.
okay, so I vote to accept. I know this person like personally, so we should accept. Okay, we have another validator investor, which we should accept because they already committed money in the hardware equipment that we're using. So we are accepting, and later on we will, distribute the tokens, and not today in separate voting, because it's just otherwise we'll really be sitting here until next week.
Not bad.
Okay, we have a airdrop.
Good company.
We have airdrop. Wait. Yeah, famous airdrop. Where is now? What happened to the right side of the screen?
Yeah.
That's very strange. Okay, we have an airdrop, please. You know the drill, from 0 to 100.
52.
66.
66 goes once. 66.
Yeah,
goes-
66 makes sense. It's 366. So let it be 66.
66 goes once. 66 goes twice. 66, it. Airdrop. Okay.
So what is the status of this stream? So what I mean,
Sorry.
we're just waiting for airdrops.
It's not that. What is the status of the stream? We need to go over all that, and we're more or less done. I mean, we can basically wrap it up and kind of maybe we have some questions. I don't know. Nobody's asking any questions. Like everything is understood.
Let me check.
No, exactly.
Oh, we have a big PR coming. Big PR. So let's see.
We essentially have no questions.
Everything is understood. It's good.
We do have one. Can you add a filter to the interface for tasks that have not yet been voted on?
Yes, we will add
Yes,
this.
we will add the filter. We feel the pain, believe me. We feel the pain.
Yeah.
We feel the pain. But seriously, I think like it's been fun. And I think that like agree with me that I'm not talking about maybe like open source will take time for it to be adopted, but in a decentralized, we build a decentralized application not to adopt GOSH for its code. It's kind of a little bit absurd, I think. If you
Yes.
ask me. I mean, like the tools, the DAO tools that we built. I mean, of course, you can kind of come and say like, we want this, we want that. Okay, so this is, by the way, the PR. It's not. It's like a really big. Okay. So of course it was reviewed many times before, obviously, because it's just all the contracts of GOSH. And you can see the amount of just sheer work that has been done here. It's just incredible. Just fucking amazing. See that? Do you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Looks very fucking good to me.
You ended up saying looks very fucking good too.
Yes, two is two. Yeah, it's true also.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh, question.
Um,
Question. Oh yeah, we can see the commit by Sehor 005. Yeah, I was just curious because it's not evident who actually submits.
Yes, we
request.
actually have few
Yeah.
things that we noticed there that needs to be improved, definitely.
Yeah, we should put that like kind of front and center. Maybe even the little avatar.
And task assignment, everything should be there too.
yeah,
Yes.
so it should be here, and the token distribution should be here also. Like,
And
yeah,
also,
absolutely.
I noticed that in the tasks, if you can go, I don't know if it's just for me, but go to the task real quick. Go to the task real quick and just click on any task. And the description of the task seems to be missing on most of them. You see there's no description. So we write the comment about what the task is for.
Good. Yeah, very good. Very good comment. Please create a task. Okay.
Yes.
I'm doing
Yes,
now.
this is an urgent task. We'll do this fix.
Add description and description display to the task. Okay, it's UI task cost. Okay, guys, what should be the task cost?
Well,
So
this
hard decisions now.
I'd say no more than 500.
On Friday evening, asking those types of questions.
well,
Really?
Yeah.
We
just
have money
still.
for plannings.
Yeah. I'm saying 100.
No, I'd say
It's quite
Really?
simple task, actually. Well, it's simple task. Come on, guys. It's just to display one field from the.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. $100 for. Oh, sorry. Okay,
Oh,
$100.
it's not bucks. So you
Yeah.
don't-
yeah, maybe it's a bit much.
100 whatever
50.
it is.
50. So how about 50? No,
Okay,
too much?
it sounds better.
10?
Not 10, definitely. No. That's not single.
Okay, this is an insult. What should a programmer
49.
do for $3,000?
Honestly,
49.
Nothing, and also a little bit of a harm. Yes.
Frankly, I think
49. Okay,
49.
49 works.
I think
Yes.
75.
49.
I think 75.
Okay,
49.
stop betting on this.
we need to create an interface for task betting.
Yes,
Actually. That's
we
good.
need to create an interface for betting. I think for betting
Yes,
on the.
I think-
thing.
Oh, that may be not a bad idea. If you
You're
think-
really
if you think
investing there for
create a
60
task-
months?
No, wait. You created. Yes, of course. Vesting is always the same on us. It doesn't matter because it will add up. It's not that like
Yeah,
okay,
I'm
you
okay,
get it.
but-
It will add up. guys.
That's less
So,
than one
yes.
token a month. For 49.
That's what I
What's the problem? Yes, and what's the problem with that? I don't see any problem with that.
Yeah.
I want to see how this will distribute, like really. Now I just want to see. And more on top of that, you have this like distribution between manager, reviewer, and so on. So-
Yes, they will get some. What do you think? Wait a second. Like I even don't want to go there. I
Okay,
think it's
just imagine
fine.
4
Listen, it's
tokens.
task for 5 minutes, literally. What do you want?
It is 5 tokens distributed
Yes.
over 60 months. plus
Yes,
1
because
year.
because
It's like over
yes,
6
because
years.
but think about this. In a month, you will do like I don't know this amount of thousands per
It
tokens.
is, yes.
So it
but
should be distributed. It should be.
I
vested.
think I
Okay,
actually
what
think-
I'm trying to say, you will get 1 token a year.
No, but honestly, I think that we maybe should come up with some sort of guide for tokens so that one tasks can have so there's some sort of consistency.
I think we should not. I think everyone should do their own kind of and it will come.
Yeah, and then
Think
two
of
down.
that. Think of it. You should think of this.
Some members in Kahoot.
You should think of these tokens as both story points, right? In a way, because right, the more time it takes, the more story points. So actually, it's going very well with the Scrum methodology. So you like to think of tokens as story points, and then if you abstract this from time, but in a way, but you still not abstracting it from effort, the kind of effort it takes, measured in the tokens. I think if you come up in the end, you come up with a system where if you use Fibonacci, for example, for story points, then you kind of then map the story points to the tokens, because each DAO has a different amount of tokens, will be and so on and so forth. So we cannot just guide it, but yeah, we can write a blog post about actually using tokens.
Yeah, we should
story
actually
points.
base them on story points. So it can be like story points times and how much it's times by is multiplied by depends on how many tokens are in the total DAO supply, something like that. That actually makes sense.
The signer has not enough what? Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
What?
It is less than 1 token a month.
Ah, I see. It's impossible to do this because of the. Well, this should be more.
We should. I mean,
just raise the amount of tokens.
I do think that for some tasks you have to have a bundle of tasks, not just like a single minor task or minor fix.
I think
or you have to for those you just change vesting periods.
What I did wrong? Why?
Looks algebraic.
Could this be a bug?
It is a bug.
In terms of what? You have 49
because it's
total task cost, and then 10% that is 4.9.
Because it cannot divide the tokens. There's no division. That's the
well,
problem.
it has, but it's just like some periods will be 0, which is not acceptable. That's why.
So can we do this?
Actually, that makes sense.
I would say 4 periods. That's the maximum. You can have it. I mean, look at this. Manager for the closed task has 10%. Manager,
oh yeah, because of
closed
this,
task
because
has
of that.
10%.
Yes,
and which
yes,
means
yes.
you have 4 tokens for manager and for reviewers.
Yeah.
And now it's trying to distribute 4 tokens over like 60 months, which is crazy.
Yes. So you can also only do it. Oh, the lock is not important. So you can do 4 months here, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, we need to think about that still. Like,
yeah, you can think about this
because it's complicated. It should be less complicated. Like, it should just apply.
I like the point with Scrum points, and I think that
maybe there could be something like of automation, so you have like the maximum period preset, so then you can just move lower if you want to.
Exactly. Yes. It should somehow in the interface. It should guide you, because otherwise, like, people won't understand what we just spoke about. Okay.
Yeah.
So that we need to think about this. Yeah. Okay. It's not correct. It's already got some comments, right? From smart contracts.
They were not. They haven't passed review or voting.
Well, it should be another status then. Okay. Anyway, sounds good. So let's go over some stuff. Let's try to finish it. It's been 3rd hour. So we did. Okay, so that's we did already. Guys, please go over the rest of the. Sorry, but that's regular talking. So yeah, let's vote.
I don't understand. Do they do tasks change their places when you vote for them?
Yes, they all.
Yes.
This list is just.
Well,
just
can I
horrible
say it's terrible right now?
It's just dancing.
It's just terrible right now.
It
works for a few tasks, but it doesn't work for.
By the way, somebody voted against improving UI design.
We like it how it is.
Guys, please look at what you vote for. By the way, why the Slav was rejected? That's strange.
I guess people just did. I don't know.
But I think I voted for.
Just don't understand what's happening.
That summarizes all the stream right there.
It's bonanza, guys.
It's bonanza,
Okay.
exactly. And bubaleh.
Yeah.
So that's regular tokens and Trisel. I think I voted for it. Let's vote. Okay, then. Okay, that has been accepted. Oh, that's been not voted for. Please vote. Okay. Let's see. Add DAO member, we should reject it. Yes.
I mean, and then 2 hours later, you can be like, why did someone reject this? I don't understand. It's
No, that's add DAO member. We shouldn't add him as a member, so that's why rejection. Yeah. People just like to reject stuff. Add DAO member. Yes, so this is did we? I don't think we have airdropped this guy. No. Coin Insider. Familiar with represents several media. Can see the publication of articles. We don't know this guy, but we can airdrop him.
we can airdrop.
It was already rejected, but not by me, right? Because I can vote again.
Wait. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe we should talk to him somehow.
Yes, please do.
Yeah, I'll contact this guy. I'll contact this guy.
Well, if you get to know him well, we can definitely start another proposal and vote again.
Yes,
now we don't
exactly,
know him.
Yeah. So we need to airdrop.
Yeah, if there's if this guy is anywhere.
Let's airdrop. Okay, from 0 to 100.
41.
The number guy. 41 goes once.
88.
88 goes once.
No, 89.
89 goes once.
No, it's still
89 goes twice. 89. That's.
You know, it seems to me that for a lot of people, 0 to 100 basically means 50 to 100. I've noticed this.
Yeah,
we
good
can talk
mention.
about the psychology.
No, we're just too generous today because other time it could be just one.
Could mean
Yes.
some very different stuff. At regular token airdrops. Okay.
Actually, we should say 1. Next airdrop gets 1. So submit your request right away.
Regular tokens.
Well, we can start from 1. Who knows?
Like,
Okay, airdrop done.
Gosh, the worst casino of all time. You always win.
Yes, airdrop. Okay, voted for this. Almost done. Almost done. I can see that. Yes, that should be. What is this? A DAO member. That should be rejected. Why it isn't rejected? We did airdrop them, no? Or not? I don't remember. But I think we did. Just I didn't for some reason. Interesting. Yeah, that's another time. Same thing.
Maybe we should start wrapping this up.
Yeah.
We've been here for 2 hours and 45 minutes.
Well, we finish in 15. We finish in 15 minutes.
Okay.
But wait, I did vote for this. No, for Alexei, or I just forgot to vote for his reject. Yes, I think rejection down members. I forgot to do that. Okay. So I forgot to do that. Okay. No, how many times? Same thing. Why didn't reject? What's happening? Yeah, vote is accepted. We did distribute him tokens. Reject. Okay. Right. Here. D3P. Who is D3P?
No idea.
It's an SDK team. Yeah, yes. I asked, okay. Let's see. Jenny wants to be a DAO member. I think we should vote for.
Yay.
Accept Jenny
Yes.
to the DAO. Great.
Svet, if you're watching this, wave to us.
Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry, but I have to leave.
Yeah, sure. We all will in 10 minutes.
Okay. Until then, have fun and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have fun. Just the beginning.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye.
That I think I know who that is.
You need to confirm.
I know who that is.
You think or you sure?
I'm sure, yes.
Okay.
But of course I can ask.
There are 2 Jennys, which are willing to join. So I think like the ones you voted for already. We should.
2 Jennys is impossible. It's just, if it's the same username, it's just impossible.
Actually, you can, I managed to do it.
You cannot have 2 users. They have different names.
But I managed to do it with the same name. I'm just saying.
Okay, but proposal maybe you can create. I don't know.
Oh no, the proposal, yes, definitely.
Yes, yes, but you will be accepted only once, even if there are several proposals.
Right.
So okay, D3P, I know who it is. It was confirmed. So for external distribution, external contribution to GOSH. Okay. Then I have confirmation. Okay, let's accept. That will, like, this is, you know, management is quite tedious, right? In general, and management tools are important. So just sitting here 3 hours, and we've not been through everything we kind of need to be done. For example, we didn't distribute tokens to investors. We didn't like that. So think of that. You're setting up an organization, and of course, like if you don't do anything, well, you don't spend this time. You don't do this. You just, okay, you create a GitHub account for your open source. You don't give a shit. You just, you know, just, okay, you're just contributing some code, blah, blah, blah. Well, but the thing is, and you don't spend this time and energy on management it, but the question is like, would that do, can you like do something with this, your repository? And then you kind of coming and crying that why the enterprises that uses your software extract so much value of the software that you are not, and you need to work on another work and kind of cannot sustain just by contributing to your code. Well, guess what? Guess what? If you don't do this, it won't change. That's what changes it. If you manage your organization, like your open source organization, like organization, then you can extract value from it. And it starts from this, and you need these tools, you need this kind of management. That's what open source foundations do. But except for open source foundation, they're not scalable. Like the Apache Foundation just had the 400 organizations supported over their lifetime, over the whole lifetime of Apache Foundation. So yeah, these people will do it for you, but guess what? You won't be there probably, because they're not scalable. They cannot scale to all open source. So if you want your organization to extract value from your code, if you want to extract value from your code, and you want this enterprise people to pay you for using your software, actually they won't pay you for using your software. They will pay you for supporting your software. You need to create an organization that they can trust, or trustless, but organization with some management. And it takes time and it takes some resources. We just try to make it, you know, simpler, right?
Agreed entirely. And also I might like to add that I forgot which law it was, what the name of the law is, but it's basically about optimization, that when you have a new product, it optimizes, you know, it grows very fast in the beginning, and then it just goes to optimizing and optimizing. So that goes to say that, yes, it's very tedious right now, but with time, we will continue to simplify it, and it will be much easier to use as well. There's no doubt about that. And eventually those people get used to things, and the hope is that eventually we get it to a stage where it flows effortlessly.
Yes, I just voted for Svet. So please vote for Svet to be accepted. Of course. We all know Svet. Okay, we did distribute tokens to Voltai, or at least we did a proposal. Okay, that's done. It's done. We're almost done. Unless there are 300 new proposals. Yes, that's staking pool. So we did that, but not to the DAO member. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's Kirill. I think we voted for. Strange. Is it second proposal?
It is possible.
There is actually two Jennies as well, one with event description, one is without.
Yes, you can make a double, but we need to kind of actually do something about it.
Well, it was actually allowed for reasons, since if we may have some kind of cooling period, I guess, after the votings. The reason for this, pretty much, you may have added more description or more relative information for people to decide different. So that was pretty much the reason why we allow multiple proposals created.
No, yes, of course, we could buy someone like could vote by mistake, and then you should allow, but maybe there is time that need to be set. For
Yeah,
proposal.
I agree. Maybe we should add some cooling time. For example, you have to have first proposal passed or rejected, and after that you can create another proposal. That's doable. We will think about this.
Yeah. Okay, tasks are growing. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so I think I think we're done for today. I think that went okay. We will improve interface a lot. We know what Artyom knows what need to be improved to allow for like batching and everything. So we will, once all this, well, everything from here on, everything is pretty much automatic. Now, what will happen is, of course, once you install this in the organization, what happens, and we will see that how it's developing in GOSH, what happens is that everyone naturally will try to actually work with the tasks here, because obviously because these tasks are automatically distributing tokens for and the tokens then potentially gives you more voting rights, and so the more you can influence the governance of this repository for karma, which you collect while doing these tasks. So I think it's a natural way, and I think we will see in these dynamics inside GOSH right now that we slowly migrate from or adding any tasks that we do, like that we discuss, and the tasks will be reflected here, because obviously people want to increase their karma by doing these tasks, and the rest is pretty much there. Like, then if you mindful about like how you distribute these tokens in terms of vesting and vesting, then you have contributors who are long-term with you, right? By contributing more, you're actually committing more, you're actually more and more involved in the repository in a very kind of practical way of this governance tokens that are grow, your karma grows, and so on and so forth. And then we hope that people, first of all, it is truly decentralized code. So nobody can say, okay, there is one dictator in your repository who can do whatever. And that is very important, because we saw attacks on the repository done in a way that, I'm talking about just owners of the repositories, which went, rogue or crazy and started to do stuff to the repository, which was just inserting malicious code. So if your organization that using open source repository, you probably want the open source repository be managed by GOSH DAO. It gives you, like, you can be accepted to the repository like we did today. You can receive some tokens from the repository by buying actually these tokens, and by that committing to like resources to repository, supporting the authors of the repository, supporting the DAO. And then the DAO may also give you, in a separate, of course, voting, give you some karma tokens, so you can influence the decisions over this repository if you are contributing to this from your organization, for example, or just you want to use it, but you, as a user, you want to have some voice about what this repository is doing. So I think this is creating a more transparent, more manageable process around the code, around the open source code, which was never done before. So by that, let me conclude that stream. Let me thank everyone involved. We will continue, of course, giving you insights, and you can also come to, again, it's here at GOSH DAO or for organization GOSH, and you can, of course, everyone is completely transparent, so you can look at what's happening and how we're progressing with management of our own repository, and get it into your own organization, your own code, your own repository. Start managing your code. Thanks a lot for being with us, guys. Thanks for the great, immense work you did. See you.
Bye, everyone.
See you.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
So much. Congratulations to everyone.